Have you written a line of code in a modern code editor? Did you see the suggestion pop-ups and wondered how did the editor know that E is a variable or that Pygame contains a display class with a method called flip? Well, this is the job of a LSP, aka Language Server Protocol. The LSP was invented in 2015 by Microsoft. Unlike other Microsoft products, the LSP is actually useful, being used in countless editors like VS Code and the JetBrains products. Heck, even the Primogen is useless without using an LSP. So, what is the LSP? It's a protocol used by the client, the editor, to communicate with the server. Each major language has its own LSP. For example, Python has Pylons. Before LSPs, when you wanted to include those features within your code editor, you'd have to code support for every single language you intend to support. That's why the JetBrains IDE are separate instead of being one, as they were made before LSPs, and it would take more space, time, and resources to fit every single language into one editor. And it's also an occasion for a greedy company like JetBrains to make more money. Features provided by an LSP includes highlighting errors warnings in an intuitive way, providing keyword suggestions, and telling you that your code sucks. The LSP communicates every time with the client when the source file is changed or the editor wants to get keyword suggestions. Yeah, so that will be it. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord.